Construction teams and infrastructure owners often face concrete repair cost overruns because repair quantities are based on incomplete or non-engineering grade inspection data. Niricson's AUTOSPEX changes that, delivering an end-to-end digital condition assessment from high-resolution capture to engineering-grade deterioration analytics, ready for design and construction teams. For this hydroelectric concrete gravity structure, data capture was delivered through our trained partner network using Dronic, collecting precise ground control and imagery, down to 1 millimeter detail. In parallel, our trained partner team performed acoustic sounding using drone and rover-based systems to identify potential subsurface delamination, ensuring full coverage across upstream, downstream, and training wall sections. The datasets were processed into a reality mesh and ortho mosaic, then analyzed in AUTOSPEX using deep learning with quality validation to automatically detect and quantify defects. In AUTOSPEX, teams review condition in 2D and 3D, filter defects by width, length, or area, apply density grids to find hotspots, tag components, and measure geometry directly in the 3D environment, creating a measurable, queryable record of condition. Outputs are securely hosted in the cloud and exported in structured formats like CSV, PDF, and DXF, preserving defect IDs, geometry, and quantification, ready for CAD and engineering workflows to support rehabilitation design, quantity takeoffs, and contractor execution. From capture to reality mesh, from digital twin to deterioration analytics, this is end-to-end condition intelligence, powered by Niricson's AUTOSPEX.